As you can see on the screen, I will show you how to do mathematical calculations such as the one you see on the screen with a picture of the mathematical formula with a few simple steps, all with a very easy and very fast trick. To do this, open your browser and search for DeepSeek and enter its official website. Here, click on the Start Now option. You will probably have to log in with your account or register if you did not do it previously. Now it is very important that you enable this option. After that, click on the Attach option and look for the image of the mathematical formula in your PC and attach it in the DeepSeek conversation. Now just type this and let DeepSeek solve the whole math problem without you having to do anything. It will even tell you what it is doing at each step to solve it. This can be very useful if you're looking to understand how to solve it on your own as well.